the lid cover. We feed here and add the label. Label will automatically add on the cover and stick on the package. Just like this. You see? So the connection of fabric is actually very easy. So you load the double row here at the same time. So if that fabric row goes out, you just need to connect this with the other end. And then it will go connect full automatically and continue the production. And this machine is actually still in commission stage. We are doing the final commissioning before delivery. You see there are 20 layers. From this part, all the inside wax will get folded in the width in Z shape. Such as the fabric roll, it is 20 centimeter width, right? 20 centimeter wide. And after folding, it will become 10 centimeter wide. One stack, 20 layers one stack. And then convey to the liquid adding part. This is the liquid adding. These are sprayers, many holes in the sprayers to add the liquid into the fabric. The rest of water will go downside and there are taps. Will go back connected to the water tap for recycling use. It is circle water, circulation water. This is the cutter. After adding the liquid, it will cut the wet and down. After cutting, we'll come to the counting system. This is the counting system. So if you want to produce 80 pieces per bag, it will count us 4 times 80 pieces per stack, and then convey to the packing machine. This is the convey system. It helps to press the wipes, make sure it is in a good shape. Also to make sure the interval here, the distance between each stack are
cancelable.
The average distance. This is the packing film. As you can see, this film is running and another film is standby. If you need the raw material, we can also supply you together. The non-woven fabric and the packing film, we can supply you together. See, this row is actually standby. After this row went out, this will stick on the end and will continue the production. After pricing, we'll go to the packing machine for punching. Get the punching and add a little. The stickers, the label actually you can also prepare in advance. So some customer asked about the logo printing. It actually already printed in advance on the packing film and the label. So finish the packing. You see the packing system. This packing machine will back and forth packing machine. So after packing, you convey to the lid applicator. This is the automatic lid applicator. It's full automatic. You see? And there are camera down here. If there is no package come here, the machine will stop and just waiting until the next package come here. This is the lid cover. We feed here and add the label. Label will automatically add on the cover and stick on the package. Just like this. You see?